Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 738 points, that is 0.91%, and settled at 80,604 points. Nifty 50 is down by 269 points, that is 1.09%, and settled at 24,530 points. Bank Nifty is down by 355 points, that is 0.67%, and settled at 52,265 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is down by 1202 points, that is 2.11%, and settled at 55,908 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 431 points, that is 2.29%, and settled at 18,397 points. RVNL's share price, which was mostly muted on Friday, shot up sharply after the company announced winning an arbitration award. The railway major on Friday disclosed that its subsidiary, Krishnapatnam Railway Company Limited, KRCL, has won an arbitration award amounting to 584.22 crores rupees against the Ministry of Railways. The arbitration application was lodged to settle a dispute between KRCL and the Ministry of Railways. KRCL, a special purpose vehicle of RVNL. RVNL owns a 49.76% share of the company. Diversified gaming and sports media Najara Technologies on 19 July announced that it is picking up 48.42% stake in its subsidiary Paper Boat Apps that owns the gamified learning app Kiddopia for 300 crore rupees. The deal is part of the company's efforts to scale up its gaming business, which founder Nitish Mittersain believes will be the biggest revenue generator for the firm in the coming years. KPI Green Energy Limited has informed the exchanges that it has won a new order for a 100 megawatts hybrid captive solar power project under the Captive Power Producer (CPP) segment of the company. The company has received an order from Aether Industries and the projects will be completed in financial year 2025 in various tranches as per the terms of the order. KPI Green has not shared the financial considerations for the order win in the exchange filing. Zydus Life Sciences announced that it has received a final approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for its new drug application, NDA, to market Zituvimab XR, sitagliptin and metformin hydrochloride tablets. With this, Zydus has all three NDAs of sitagliptin, base, and combination franchise approved through the 505(b)(2) route. Notably, all the three NDAs achieved first cycle approval, it added. Zituvimab XR tablets, sitagliptin and metformin hydrochloride, are indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to improve glycemic control in adults with type 2 diabetes mellitus. The drug will be manufactured at the group's formulation manufacturing facility in Ahmedabad, says, to India. According to IQVIA MAT May 2024, US market for DPP-4 inhibitors and its combinations is $9.5 billion. Jubilant Pharmova Quarter 1 consider net profit before tax exceptional item 1.03 billion rupees versus 266 million rupees year-on-year. Quarter 1 EBITDA 2.5 billion rupees versus 1.7 billion rupees year-on-year. Quarter 1 EBITDA margin 14.52% versus 10.69% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Shares of VST Industries, backed by investor Radhakishan Damani, surged over 17% to reach a new peak of 4,850 rupees apiece in intraday trading on Friday, following the company's announcement of its first-ever bonus issue plan. In an exchange filing, VST informed that a meeting of the board of directors of the company will be held on Thursday, 25 July 2024, inter alia to consider and approve the unaudited financial results of the company for the quarter ended 30th June 2024, Quarter 1 Financial Year 25. The board may consider issue of bonus shares in the aforesaid board meeting, VST said. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, has on 19 July reported a standalone net profit of 3,015 crore rupees for first quarter of the financial year 2024-25, falling 71% from the year-ago period. Its net profit was 10,551 crore rupees in the year-ago period. The decline in profit comes amid weak gross refining margins, GRMs, and higher crude oil prices due to geopolitical tensions. Sequentially, net profit declined around 29% as the company clocked in profit of 4,224 crore rupees in the fourth quarter of FY24. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.